Hello, Advanced Portfolio Kids. I'm here to talk to you about what we're doing in the month of October. As you can see, we do have a folder here that talks about craftsmanship. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that. You're going to be able to find all of your assignments that we are doing in my class in this folder here. And you can see each one of these. We've got our major assignment, we've got critiques. You also have your photos of the week that will be due, or your drawings of the week that will be due, depending on which section you have chose to do your concentration in. I am going to go over those and talk to you quickly about, once you get done with your assignment number one, you do need to fill out a proposal form for each assignment that you do in my class, which you can find here in this very top folder. You're going to click on that. And it's down here at the very bottom. You're going to click on that as well and click to get the document. This document has to be filled out for every major assignment. It is a roadmap for you and for me, so I know what you're doing. So when it becomes critique time, we both are kind of on the same page. So that's where you're going to find that. That does need to be handed in for every major assignment that we're doing. Again, you did pick which track you are going into, and I am going to kind of refresh your memory. So if you go to our resource folder, you're going to find a bunch of resources here along with the tracks that you have chosen. So those of you who are doing the 2D section, you will be basing all of your assignments off of this document. You should have a daily sketch that is a 10 to 15 minute sketch every day in class, and these are the topics that you should be working towards. Pick one of these every single time you come into class and you will be doing a drawing based on that. Obviously, we are working towards this. These are the major things that you need to have in your portfolio. We did pick these projects at the beginning of the term, so we're just going to go forward with that. I am going to quickly go over the photography section. Again, this is the photography track. You do have 2 major photos of the week that are due every single week. They have to be held within these themes here. And then you do have one that you're dealing with a technical part of this. And then, of course, you have your major assignments here, and those need to be filled out through the project proposal form. Again, if you have any questions, you can go ahead and let me know. You can find upcoming assignments here and obviously in here. So again, if you have any questions, you can either email me or contact me during class time. All right, see you then.